Hello everyone, it's me Deepcka, and today I want to thank Sayon International Education Consultancy, which is situated in Bagbazar, and I'm a student of IELTS here, and the classes were very nice, interactive, and the teachers were very supportive. They helped us throughout this exam, and finally I was able to get overall band score of 7. After that I was I was thinking to apply US, and I told them about my wish, and they did help me a lot. Like, they did all the financial part, documentation and processing, and finally today I'm able to get US student visa. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much Sudhi sir and all the respective members. Thank you.